In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change preferred subtitle language on the VLC Media Player application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Tools tab up at the top, and then select Preferences near the bottom of this list. Select the Subtitles/OSD button near the top, and then you want to go and checkmark Enable Subtitles, so that has to be turned on first. And where it says preferred subtitle language, you just type in the language you want as a preferred subtitle language, of course, and then select save at the bottom to save, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.